Okay, first diameter you need to turn is diameter 8 lah, the big diameter. All the way until here, 5 mm before the face of the chuck you stop. Right? So you start from here. This now the diameter is 10 mm. Touch. After you touch already, bring out. Set the cross feet here to the cross slide to 0. Every cut on 4. So you move here. No need to worry about the finishing. Okay, because diameter 8 is we are going to do knurling later on. Right? So the surface finish now is important. Dimension just get to 8 mm. Right? Plus minus 0.2 lah. Until here 5 mm you stop. Bring out. So how many cuts you need? 10 mm. You need 5 cuts. 0.4 each cut. Again, one more cut. 1.2. Right, 1.6. Reduce diameter. Okay. Check. Alright, so this one is complete. Okay, next diameter. The small diameter here, the front here. You are going to take die M5. Later on, you are going to do the threading in front here. So this my diameter is important. Cannot cut undersize. You can cut undersize, but cut undersize by 0.1 can. 4.9. 0.1 undersize, okay? So that later when you do the threading is easy. Alright? Okay, so here, after you have finished already, you need to cut to the diameter 4.9. The length is 20. Right. So we set the length 20 mm on the vernier. Just do a marking. How you do a marking? Bring in like this. Alright. Put the vernier like this. This face touches the outside here. This one touches the cutter, the edge there. The side of the cutter. Okay. Then you do a marking on the machine. Do a marking first. Light cut. You see it now? Alright. So from here to here is 20 mm. Okay? Alright. Then you're going to reduce the diameter. How many? 4.9. Start from here. Touch. So you touch already, set to 0. Now this is 8 mm, reduce to 4.9. So you got 3 point something, right? Okay, same thing, 0.4 each cut. But this time you cut until 20 mm distance. Come until there, you stop. Bring back. This one cannot cut undersize. Six. 2 mm. check again. Okay, 2.8 you stop. Then you check, see what's the dimension. Now this one still got 5 point something. Okay, 5.6. Right, 5.6. Another 1, 2. So this will be 5.2. Another 0.2. Cannot lah, 5.1 cannot lah. Okay, must be minus 0.1 lah, so 4.9. Okay. Once you're touching the side already, you stop. Okay, once it touches the side there, alright, the shoulder there, stop here. From here, you go in by 1 mm. Okay, so 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 7, 8, 0.9, 1 mm. Stop. Alright, so you check. Okay, 20. Alright, facing finish already. The two only tilt the angle 5 degrees. This angle is for doing the front surface facing. When you are doing the diameter turning, parallel turning, you shift back to 90 degrees. That means no angle. Alright, this cutting tool is 90 to the axis here. Alright, so 90 degrees already, lock it back. Every time when you loosen this one on top, when you position to the cutter correctly, you lock it back. The two posts cannot move. Okay. Right. So diameter, we are going to turn to diameter 25 minus 0.2 to minus 0.4, according to the tolerance. Okay. So bring out here. Right. Cover, bring down slowly, don't let it drop. Okay, cover, bring down slowly. And hand, don't put it here. Alright, free from here. Start from here, touch a bit. 900 RPM. 930 RPM. Touch a bit. After you touch, move out slowly. Set here to 0. Hold the handle here, the crossfit here, turn to 0. Okay? Then removing 0.2. From 0, move 0.2. Then you cut slowly. Hold the handle here. Don't use here. Use here. Use the carriage here. Slowly cut. Okay, until 5 mm before the chuck you stop. So you cut until here. Five mm before the surface here you stop. You see? The clearance, the cutting tool still have the clearance about 5 mm before the surface of the chuck. Right? Now, some part turn, some part haven't turned right because the dimension is not precise yet, so you need to check. Still 25 point something, alright, 25.2. Okay, plus. So you need to cut again 0.2. Again 0.2. Don't use a hand to grip the chip. Alright, anything you need to take the chip, use a plier. Okay? Until here. Stop. Don't touch the reading. Move up. Okay, so check again. Okay, this one still 25.1. Alright, so not enough. You need to cut another contour. Move slowly, don't move too fast. If you want a good finishing, you need to move slowly, but don't stop, continuous. You can see here, even if you change hand, you don't stop. Alright, two hand, must hold two hand. Even if I change to next hand, my right hand I don't stop. Same position, you stop at 5 mm there. So you cut 1, 2, 3.6 already, right? Then check. 25 exactly. We are going to turn until the diameter, this one can slide in. So what is the diameter? Look at the drawing here. How many? 12 minus 0.1. Exactly 12 cannot slide in. Must be minus 0.1 minimum. So it must be 11.9. Not 11 mm. 11 mm go there, the thing can swing. Okay? 11 mm is 1 mm tolerance. No such thing as 1 mm tolerance for hole and shaft fitting. Some of them can even be less than 0.1 if you use micrometer and measure. You can go until in terms of micron, but we general tolerance we give about 0.1. Alright? Clear? Alright, so same thing, the same speed. Down here. Touch a bit. Remember to lock back after you shift back to 90. Set to 0. Move 0.1, 0.2. If you want, you can use the coolant a bit, little bit of coolant a bit at the side here. Cutting to here. This will do, okay? Slowly cut. Turn slowly. Until where? The 5 mm away from the chuck. Until here, you stop. Bring back again. Another 2. Movement must be slow. Continuously, alright? Stop at the same position. Check what is the dimension. Still plus 12.4. Another 0.2. So then just drip a bit, right?
Snap.
12.2. Alright, cannot lah. Another 0.2. Biar mana ni? Biar kita mana ni? 11.9 ya. Slowly turn bit by bit. 0.2 is cut. Okay. Now, before you do the checking, with your workpiece, bring out, put to the lowest, do a deburring in front first here because sometimes sharp edges they may obstruct. Right, so do a deburring first, like this. Foul chamfer a bit. Okay, you can see after you turn down diameter already, you check with your workpiece, still cannot go in. This one is a clip job. May not be able to slide in. See, still cannot go in like obstruction. So another 0.1. Last cut. Okay, let's try one more cut. Slowly. Okay, so I turn 0.2, 4 cut, last cut 0.1. Alright, let's see whether thing can slide in. See that?